Hi, my name is Alana, and I love nature, but my question is, how do fish breathe underwater and how do dogs dig really fast?
Hi, my name is Sophie, and in our class we are learning about nature, and I have a question. What do bunnies eat?
Hi, my name is Kalisa. My classroom is doing nature.
And my name is Kai, and our question is, what do squirrels eat?
Hi, my name is Johnson. I wonder why people kill elephants.
Hi, my name is Makai. I love parrots. Why are some purple parrots purple?
Hi, my name is Jack. I'm wondering about nature and why are cheetahs so fast?
Hi, my name is Jordan, and my question is, how do crocodiles breathe underwater? Because they do not have gills. Good morning, Cartoon. My name is Yasser, and my class is learning about nature, and I have a question for everybody. How do clouds float in the sky?
Hi, my name is Eric G. Slogan. You could just call me Eric Logan, whatever you like. So, my question is all about why are lions the king of the jungle?
My name is Julian. My question is, why are beetles and June bugs clumsy and blind?
My name is Amanda, and I wonder how the sunlight makes plants grow.
Hi, I am wondering a lot about bees, and I was thinking about this question, and I'm trying to figure it out. So, this is it. What body parts do bees have that are different than humans? So I'm going to do some research about it.
Hi, my name is Logan, and I wonder why snakes have patterns.
I found some videos on my computer of snakes that are cool.
And they're cool.